And in that decision by the Court of Appeal at the apex court of this country at the time, read together with Express Kenya versus Manju Patel, read and understood together with Express Kenya. Express Kenya versus Manju Patel.
Manu or Manju?
Manju, M-A-N-J-U.
Yes.
Where it was held that where it is... I beg your pardon?
Give me citation.
I don't have the citation. I know the decision because I have relied on it before, but I didn't know I was going to use it because I had it 2 minutes ago.
So you're asking me to go and look for the citation?
I can supply it to your court clerk.
No, it's okay. I'll get it.
Where it is held, my lord, that where it is established that service was not effected. It is established that service was not effected. Then the orders made by the court should be set aside ex debito justitia as a matter of right, as a debt to justice.
Should be set aside.
Yes, ex debito justitia.
That's what Omondi said. Is it Omondi? The other one is saying Patrick.
Yes, that is what it says. My lord, the reference to Rule 14 of the Mutunga Rules as a matter of right. My lord, the reference to Rule 14 by learned counsel for the petitioners is an afterthought. The evidence of service, and I will come, of the Mutunga Rules, is an afterthought. Because the evidence of service is the affidavit of service of Noel Oduori of the sworn on the 13th of this month. And in that affidavit of service, the law or the procedure directing service, according to the deponent, is Order 5, Rule 22, B and C.
Order 5?
Rule 22, B and C. And my lord, there is the submission about, or the question that learned counsel posed to court. How else are Kenyans expected to reach certain high offices? Inferior quality of service that the petitioners have answered. It cannot be then Article 50, and it is for the petitioners then to ensure that the quality of service that they effect complies with Article 50. Everybody is entitled to the protection under Article 50, and I had stated in my submissions in chief that service is the gateway to Article 50. If this quality of service is allowed, what will happen next is that learned counsel will wait for the Inspector General's car to drive by, and he will fling pleadings at it and come to court and ask, but how else did you expect me to get to the Inspector General? My lord, the responsibility to effect service is on the officer authorized by the court to effect service. That responsibility is not co-shared between the officer serving. If he is not an advocate, the advocate instructing that process server, or the client that is instructing the advocate in the matter.